everyone, I'm the Momentum Chimpanzee. Today, we're diving into Kioxia Holdings, ticker 285A, one of the craziest stocks in Japan right now. Here in Japan, we have a sophisticated investment strategy called Momentum Chimpanzee. Stock goes up, chimp buys. Stock goes up again, chimp buys more. PE, fundamentals, valuation, who cares? If the number goes up, that's the fundamental. But while the chimpanzees are buying, Japanese investors are fighting a completely different war. And we begin with optimism. Apparently, the hype is already fading. So what's the year-end target? 25,000 yen. Bro skipped the correction and went straight to the apocalypse. And here comes the budget warrior. Apparently, if you can't afford one full lot, your opinion is invalid. Sir, this is an internet message board. The financial advice is free. No chart, no explanation, no hesitation. 35,000 yen, pure, unfiltered conviction. Wall Street could never. On August 21st, Kioxia accounted for 27.3% of the total trading value in the Japanese market. Some investors are attracted by the volatility. Others see huge growth potential. And some simply believe the stock is still undervalued. Whatever the reason, a stock doesn't attract this much trading activity without something pulling investors in. Different reasons, same destination. Kioxia. He also thinks the downside is relatively limited, and he's watching the August 26th arbitrage data closely. If the balance drops from 2.4 trillion yen into the 1 trillion yen range, short-term traders may stay quiet for a while. Wow, data, numbers, and an actual thesis. Sir, this is a Japanese investor message board. Short, simple, ruthless. Why do you think Kioxia will go up on Monday? According to this investor, it won't. No chart, no detailed explanation, no complicated model, just one conclusion. Monday, down. Welcome back to the Japanese Investor Forum. Monday will probably open high and then sell off. That's the prediction. No long explanation, just a simple call, a strong open, followed by a drop. There's even a chance the Nikkei could reach 50,000 in September. That's the bullish side of the forum. That's the bullish side of the forum. While some investors are preparing for a Monday drop, others are already looking much higher. Same market, completely different expectations. This investor used to feel more confident about Kioxia's upside, but now it feels more like a chicken race. Money is flowing into other hot stocks with stronger momentum. So maybe the better move is simply to trade whatever's getting the most attention right now. Classic momentum behavior. The stock semiconductor index is ripping higher, but on the forum, plenty of investors are still bearish. And this investor has a very simple prediction. Monday will dump right from the open. Strong semiconductor market. Very different expectations for Kioxia. Defaulted to TikToks, and here we have someone who decided to stop talking and actually buy 500 shares during the PTS session. No long explanation, no complicated strategy, just 500 shares after hours. Sometimes the strongest opinion on an investor forum is simply pressing the buy button. And here we have someone who decided to stop talking and actually buy 500 shares during the PTS session. No long explanation, no complicated strategy, just 500 shares after hours. Sometimes the strongest opinion on an investor forum is simply pressing the buy button. And now we have the simplest bullish strategy on the board. Maybe I'll just keep buying aggressively. No target price, no valuation model, no hesitation, just buy more. Sometimes momentum investing really is that simple. Maybe both semiconductors and crypto are worth a look. Now the discussion is expanding beyond Kioxia. Semiconductors on one side, crypto on the other. Different markets, same appetite for volatility. Apparently one roller coaster is not enough. This investor had a very specific dream. By the time the stock splits 3 for 1, the price will be less than 1/10 of what it is now. That is not exactly a bullish forecast. Apparently even dreams are doing technical analysis now. Bull or bear, everyone has a different opinion. Some expect a crash, some expect a moonshot, some keep buying, some are just watching. But after reading all these comments, one thing is clear. In the end, everyone wants Kioxia. Different comments, same obsession. Thank you for watching. If there's a stock you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments.